EA500H8V right-angle rental screen adopts an innovative 45-degree beveled box design, which is specially designed for the rental market and provides a perfect right-angle splicing solution. Its standard 500 by 500 mm module size not only ensures an efficient splicing experience, but also enables the screen to flexibly adapt to various venue requirements and meet the display needs of different types of activities. Whether in exhibitions, stage performances, or large-scale events, EA500H8V can provide excellent visual effects and help brands attract more attention. This right-angle rental screen supports front and back two-way maintenance, which greatly simplifies the daily maintenance and replacement process. The power box design can be easily disassembled, and maintenance personnel can easily operate from the front and back sides, reducing equipment downtime and improving work efficiency. In addition, EA500H8V is also equipped with a quick lock and an arc lock to ensure quick installation and firm connection during the screen splicing process, so that the stability of the screen is guaranteed, and the screen flatness and display effect are greatly improved. The design of EA500H8V fully considers the diverse needs of the rental market. It not only has high-strength durability and can cope with the requirements of frequent handling, disassembly, and assembly, but also has flexible splicing methods and can support right-angle and arc installation to meet the needs of different customers and scenarios. It is an ideal choice in the rental market, providing high-quality display effects and extremely high convenience, helping to make every event and display successful.